Hello friends, here we are going to perform an activity to detect presence of carbohydrate in some sample of food. I will introduce some sample. Here you can see we have sugar, rice, jawar, bajra, wheat and a sample of rangoli is taken. And to detect presence of carbohydrate we have iodine solution which is in the bottle, and in the test tube, big test tube, you can see a dropper is there. In that iodine solution is already taken for the detection of carbohydrate. Now I will start performing activity. Either the samples have the carbohydrate in it. We will now take the iodine solution in a dropper and we'll put in the spoon of sugar. We will check either some changes in the spoon color or that sugar color is there or not. Now we will put same iodine solution in rice, then in jawar, then in bajra, in wheat, and then subsequently in rangoli. Now in rangoli. Okay. So here for the detection of carbohydrate we have performed the same activity. You can see that the color of the sample like sugar, rice, jawar, bajra, wheat and rangoli in the spoon has changed. You can see the sample in sugar, rice, jawar, bajra spoon has changed to dark purple color or brownish color. It indicates it indicates that they contain starch in it or carbohydrate in it. Whereas in rangoli, you cannot see the color of rangoli is changed. Therefore, we can conclude that wheat, bajra, jawar, rice, and sugar contains carbohydrate in it. Therefore, this practical is concluded with the statement: sugar, rice, jawar, bajra contains carbohydrate, whereas rangoli do not contains carbohydrate in it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this